Good day, everybody. Thank you, Samir, for such a nice introduction. And it's always a pleasure to be on the 3AI platform. And congratulations on, um, such a nice gathering on 3AI Spectra. Today, I will be talking about copilots, AI copilots to be specific. Copilots are mediums where you as a person is in charge and you have a co-pilot who is going to help you through your uh, AI journey. And the AI journey can be anything. It can be multimodal in terms of text, in terms of speech, in terms of image, in terms of video, and multiple other modalities. When I say multiple other modalities, you can do analysis of data coming from logs. You can do analysis of data coming from real time stock markets. You can do analysis of data coming, with um, uh, things stored in database for a long time and all sorts of those things, right? AI Copilot is your instrument which creates an abstraction layer, from the AI models, which are large language models that provides you all the all the goodness of the predictability mm, it drives you, it gives you the power to create outcomes. And on the on the data side, it will seamlessly through vector databases, it will seamlessly kind of go through your entire stack of various kinds of data and ingest it as and when required. So uh, you know the way you look at Copilot is very different than how you used to look at your AI models. In AI models, you were the traditional AI models. You would build the models, you would deploy the models, you were the custodian of your own data, and you had to provide the data in the right format and all sorts of those things. Here in the new gen models, what you would not have to worry about, again, as I said, a lot of the details are behind the abstraction layer, which if you want, you can have access to it. Otherwise, the Copilot will take care of it. Imagine you are on the dashboard of a plane, and a lot of things are taken care by autopilot, but you as a pilot have all the or you can take over whenever required. So, very good question. Who is the pilot when in the AI Copilot? The answer to that is, with no doubt, you are the pilot. Um, we see AI copilots coming up in various industries in multiple ways. This is a point which I do want to touch on today is the impact, right? The impact is that you can, think about an industry, think about a use case, and there will always be an opportunity to implement AI copilot for that use case in that industry. I have seen, co-pilots getting applied in insurance industry, in banking finance, in stock market, and so these are on the BFSI side, on the manufacturing side, on the retail side. There are plethora of use cases. The way to identify these use cases has some trend to it. The trend is that if you as a person, as the custodian of the use case, think that there are certain things which are repetitive, there are certain things which do not require human intervention, um, that those are the use cases which are easily, uh, ingested into Copilots to begin with. So, my suggestion to you would be, as a leader in your field, as a subject matter expert of your area, my suggestion would be try out AI Copilots. There are various ways of doing it. Obviously, ai.azure.com is one way. Um, but when you go there, there are all the tools available for you. You can bring in your own data. You can try out use cases, with where certain certain steps are provided, or you can build use cases from ground up. So, the best thing about AI copilots is you can have multiple layers. One layer can be to clean data. Other layer can be to identify certain attributes of the data, and so on and so forth. And then you can do the same thing from the customer perspective. One layer is to either to make customer profile. Second layer is to ingest that customer profile in your system. So you can kind of bring two sides of the coin together to make a very mm, very intelligent decision. With that, I will leave you with the thought that we as humans are moving from a world where information is at your fingertips to expertise at your fingertips. To be an expert, you need a teacher, and in this case, your teacher is your co-pilot. Good luck in your AI co-pilot journey.